This adorable country home on 3.75 acres with lots of beautiful, mature trees will be available for auction. The online and live auction will reserve on June 18th, with open houses taking place on May 24th from 5 to 7 p.m. and June 4th from 10 a.m. to noon. The split-level floor plan puts one bedroom on the main floor and two other bedrooms on the upper level. All of the living spaces in this home are large and ready for you to host all of the family gatherings. Outside, you'll enjoy the massive yard, deck, hot tub that stays with the sale of the home, and a large carport with a shed. Spend countless hours enjoying the peaceful privacy of your yard and the beauty of nature surrounding you. Many recent updates to this home include a new furnace, water heater, and septic pump in 2021, as well as a new roof in 2022. Enjoy the nice and quiet living that rural Wells County has to offer. Contact Jerry Hurst with all your questions.